So I guess Anil has also joined. So most of the students have joined, so we can start. Fine. Okay. Now I want to go for three major questions which are generally asked in any of the interviews as HR questions. Fine. Uh, Anil, how many are you there in the class? You come down to MA 154. We want to talk about today three main major questions which are generally asked. Fine. So what I'll do is most common HR interview questions. Fine. I'll change the color, font, title. Fine. I'll go for number one. The first question, which is of subtitle, right? Number one is tell me something about yourself or introduce yourself. Fine. This would be the first question of the day. Fine. Second question is what are your strengths and weaknesses? And third question, which is very tricky in a way. Why should we hire you? Fine. So what I'll do is I'll make a title so that you can easily read it without any issues. Fine. So these are the three questions. Now, what we are supposed to understand and what we are supposed to mention here. Number one is tell me something about yourself or introduce yourself. This topic we have done in the last class. Fine, so you know about it and you can speak very well about it. Number two is what are your strengths and weaknesses? See, here we are not supposed to list out each and every strength and weakness that we have. It will be varied from person to person, company to company. Fine. That means you don't need to tell everything that you have. Fine. It should be as per the company's need. Just like buffet. Fine. You need to cater to need-based things. Fine. Okay. Third question is okay. Is why should we hire you? In this question, what you are supposed to do is what is company's requirement, what you have. right? Just like what we consider the gears in the machines, right? So you both complement to each other. That's why it is advisable you can go for it. So you talk about your strength and what is the company's requirement. In this too, you can go for it. So what I do is I'll give you 15 minutes to prepare, and then everybody will have to speak one by one, and then we'll discuss. I can guarantee you that if you can answer these three questions perfectly in English, your half of the interview is clear. Fine, that's why we want to practice on this. Everyone, start preparing. You can have a book, a pen, and you start preparing this. After 15 minutes, I'll ask you. Fine. Meanwhile, if you have any question or query, you can ask me. You can Google it out. See, here I'm not going to test your memory. Fine. You can search, and what suits you. After the search, you can write. But whatever you write, that should be there memorized. Anybody, you should be able to speak anytime, at anywhere, right? In any situation. Fine. Go for it. Still, if you have any question, you can ask me. I'm here, available. So, ready, everyone? Still 2 minutes to go. Then we'll start with Anil. Fine. So we'll start with Dilip. So over to Dilip. You can speak from now. From there, it's just no problem.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Anil Derwalia.
Sorry, Anil.
Anil,
Yes.
yes. I am very innovative and I am very social person. My, I am 20-year-old and my in my family we are three person. My father, my mother, and me. I am completing my I am completed my diploma engineering from Government Polytechnic Rajkot, and I am pursuing my bachelor degree from Marwadi Education Foundation and Group of Institution Rajkot. So my strength is I am very patient and very honest person,
Patient.
patient, and I am very honest person. So I can easily work in a group and making a very legitimate decision. So everyone can easily accept
Good.
it,
Good.
and uh, I can work with any department easily and
Okay.
easily work in group.
Very good.
And my weakness is overthinking. So that means I not open minded. Like at a time, I cannot suddenly making any decision. I am thinking about on it. So that's it. That is my weakness. And wise higher wise should hire.
Why should we hire you?
Uh, so I believe in where are you stand that place you give 110% that's place. So afterward you don't mind that I will do that or do that, so I will get success. That means when you have time you can give your 110%. So after that was result maybe possible if low or high. After that you cannot feel I should do this or that, so I will get success and I can easily work in your company.
Hmm. Great. Fine. So what will be the next one? I guess Tahir would speak. We'll go for Tahir, then Vishal, then Vatsal, then Vishwaratsi, one by one. Yes, Tahir.
Yes, sir. Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
In my during the Bachelor of Engineering and Diploma study, I have many colleges, and our college is a organized event, and I have participated as a volunteer, and I have done my leadership or the volunteer task as per given by the leader or the institute, and I have achieved the success of her event. And as a good role, I have achieving whatever the purpose of the event. And also, I have participated in many events or achieving many things. If I am, and also I have not industrial experience, but I am trying to get the industrial experience as soon as possible.
Okay,
Thank
very
you,
good.
sir.
Excellent. See, there are certain grammatical errors I could find. So what I can do is suggest you is you can type it in the Word file so that it will suggest you the errors. You can update that and then you prepare. So that will be easy for you. Fine, Tahir.
Yes, sir.
Confidence wise is okay. I'm very happy with for you, right? Okay. Next,
Okay.
next one.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Vishal, please go ahead.
My name is Chapia Vishal. I am from Jamnagar. I have completed diploma in mechanical engineering from Government Polytechnic Jamnagar. I pursued degree from Marwadi Education Foundation. My strengths are I'm honest. Other strengths are creativity, continuous learning, focus towards work, and I am hardworking. My weaknesses are I am introvert. I would like to complete my work without any help, but sometimes it puts me in trouble and stress. I avoid arguing.
Vishal, you are not audible. I think your voice is breaking, maybe because of network issue. By time Vishal finds the solution, Vatsal, can you please go ahead?
Yes, sir.
Please, Vatsal.
Okay. Hi, my name is Vatsal Jus. I'm a hardworking engineering graduate specialized in mechanical engineer with an overall CGPA of 7.44.
Vishal,
Now,
Vatsal,
yes.
you speak the same thing with
Okay.
60 kilometer per hour. Little speed.
What's sir?
You were at 120, 130. Reduce the speed by 50% and speak again.
Oh, okay, okay, sir. No problem. Okay, sir. Okay. Hi, my name is Vatsal Joshi. I am a hardworking engineering graduate specialized in mechanical engineering with an overall
Perfect.
CGPA of 7.44. Now,
Excellent.
like my the strength is I am a time management person. Like I've done the teams before deadlines, and I love to work in night shifts and all. Now, like, and my weakness is I was used to stuck in one only project, but now I done the things that I am now doing multitasking projects and now multitasking work. So I have got this. And why should we hire you? Said the answer is now. I said beforely, I am hardworking person, so I can do much more better than other employees. And I like night shifts, and I will do better for you. I'm very time management person, so that's why. Okay.
Okay. Time management, instead of that, you can say that I follow time management. I am a time management person, so it does not suit.
Okay. Okay.
Fine. So I am well
Okay.
planned. I
Okay.
am very prompt.
Okay.
Fine. Yeah.
Okay. Okay, sir.
So that you can mention. Fine. Shift. The
Mm.
way you mentioned, you can say that shift timings are not shift timing is not a constraint to me. I can work
Mm.
any shift. Right.
Okay. Okay. Yes. Okay.
Because working in night shift is not a feature that you can mention,
Yes.
but you can mention that you are flexible. You can mention that I am flexible to work in any shift.
But sir, I
Eh,
was thinking like that the strength and weakness will also correlate with the job, so that's why I
mhm,
done the night
mhm, mhm.
shift.
Right, right.
Okay. Sir.
Fine, good. Okay, Vishal, I guess
Okay.
you are back with disconnected network. Okay, fine. Now, Vishal, you have rejoined, so you can go for it.
Okay. My name is Vishal Chapia. I am from Jamnagar. I have completed diploma in mechanical engineering from Government Polytechnic Jamnagar. I pursued degree from Marwadi Education Foundation. My strengths are honesty, creativity, flexibility, continuous learning, focus toward work, and I am hardworking. My weakness are I am introvert. I would like to complete my work without any help, but sometimes it puts me in trouble and stress. I avoid arguments which caused me to compromise sometimes. And why should we hire you? Means in this question, I would like to answer. I have all qualities which company required, and I have all skills which company required. Thank you.
Very good. Fine. Nice one. Friction free. Perfect. Yeah. Okay. Vishwaratsi,
Good morning, sir.
very good morning.
Hello, friends. My name is Vishwarat Jadeja. I am currently living in Rajkot, and I am pursuing mechanical engineering from Marwadi.
Vishwaratsi,
Hello.
we will
Yes,
not
sir.
use ing. Right? Currently pursuing living, we will not speak like that. Right? Instead of
O-
that, I live in Rajkot. I pursue mechanical engineering
Okay, okay,
from
sir.
Marwadi Education Foundation,
Marwadi.
Marwadi College.
Yes,
Will do.
yes, sir. Thank you. I am hello, friends. I am Vishwarat Jadeja. I am currently living in Rajkot. I
No,
have pursued Marwadi.
Vishwaratsi. Currently, I
Yes.
live in Rajkot, not living in Rajkot.
Okay. Currently live in Rajkot. I have pursued mechanical engineering from Marwadi Foundation, and uh, my strength, I can work in a group, and I can and my weaknesses. I'm a little bit introvert, but I'm working on that too. Uh, why should you hire me? Because uh, I am willing to take any task that you give me, and I am
Yes, yes, go ahead.
hello,
Yes, go ahead.
hello.
Yes, we can listen to you. You're audible,
Yes,
Vishwaratsi.
sir. I am willing to take any task you give to me, and I am I am I
So Vishwaraji, do you face any difficulty of network issues or what?
No, sir. I just forgot what to do.
Acha, okay, okay. Take your time, beta.
Confusion, confusion struck at the point.
Fine. Beta, take your time, no problem.
Okay, sir. Okay.
I'll ask somebody else and I'll come back to you again. Fine.
Okay, sir.
Okay, Hardik. Hardik Rathod. Then we'll go for Hardik Gangajalia, right?
Good morning, sir.
Very good morning.
While interviewer will ask me about my strength and weaknesses, I would like to say that my strengths are I have a leadership skills and I have a problem solving skills and as well as I would like to communication with persons and I have a positive attitude and also I have a self motivation skill. Also, I have a leading capability, and then I would like to go for my weakness. That is a I have a lack of my confidence, and I am self sensitive and too much detail focused. And thank you, sir.
Okay, why should we hire you?
It is depend on the company, sir. Which kind of the requirement our company.
So if I
So
ask you why should we hire, so what would be your reply?
because at that time we need to say that which type of ability our ability its company need.
Okay, fine. You need to mention that what are your strengths and what company requires. If these two things match, right? That's the reason why you can be hired. Fine. Okay, Hardik Gangajalia,
Yes, sir.
please go ahead, beta.
Hello, good morning, everyone. Myself, Hardik Gangajalia. I live at Kalawad. I had done my diploma studies in GP Rajkot with distinctions. Currently, I pursue B Mechanical in Marwar University. My strengths are I'm good at state performance. Also, I can do work individually and in teamwork as well. I have management skills too. Mm, my weaknesses such as I get frustrated easily and less patient and facing little bit problem while doing in under pressure. Uh, why should I get hired? Honestly, I have all the skills and experience that you are looking for. I can work tirelessly on my communication abilities and work skills, which I will put to use in my future career. And if I'll get selected, I will put my 100% effort in this company. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Very good. You spoke very well. Okay, now can I request Jeet? Jeet Jani, J Square. Jeet, are you there or are you on Tesla mode? Aminesh, Aminesh, if you are there. Ravi,
Yes, sir, I am there.
yes, Aminesh, if you can
Yes.
answer these three questions quickly.
Okay, sir. I am Aminesh Ravindra. I am from Rajkot. We are 5 family members. My father is working a job. My mother is housewife and my brother name is Mayur and Akash. I'm studying in Marwari University in a mechanical engineering in 7th semester. I'm a honor.
Aminesh,
Yes, sir.
I
Yes.
study in mechanical engineering, not I am studying. I study in.
I study in sorry.
Hmm, hmm.
I study in Marwari University in mechanical engineering in 7th semester. I'm honest and I'm working in any company. My work is very sharp and clear, and I'm like to work for very hard. I have a hard-working man, and my weakness is so any person guide and support me can better than my work. And any company giving any work, so I can understand work and I can do my work.
Okay,
Okay, sir?
very good. Yes, it's good to go, Aminesh. If you practice little bit more, you will be able to rock. Yes, Vishwaratsi, are you ready? Can we have Vishwaratsi 2.0?
Yes, sir.
Please go ahead.
Hello everyone, my name is Viswarat C. Jadeja. I live in Rajkot. I pursue mechanical engineering from Marwadi College. My strengths are that I can work in under pressure, and my weakness is I am little bit introvert, but I am working on that too. Why should you hire me? Because because I possess all the skills that and experience that you are looking for, and I'm willing to take any task you give to me. That's it, sir.
Okay,
Thank
good,
you.
good, good one. Yes, so is remaining Ravi, Ravi and Jeet. If you're available and if you can speak. I'm waiting for you. Who is remaining to speak now? Yes, please go ahead, better.
Yes, sir. Good morning. I am Bridges. I am in my early 20s. I am from Rajkot. Here is my some strength. I am self-disciplined, flexible, and courageous person. My weaknesses are I cannot say no to anyone and easily trust on everyone. And answer in why should I hire you? Because I am courageous and hardworking person. I will work very hard for this firm and also want to learn and develop new skills by doing this job. This will help to develop myself and this firm also. Thank you, sir.
Okay, great. So who is remaining now? for speaking. Jeet, Jeet Mota is also present now. Jeet, are you there? Any of the Jeets? Please. Ravi, Hardik. Hardik, if you have not spoken, you can speak. Hardik Rathod. I think you have both have spoken, no? Any question regarding these three questions? Any suggestions or doubts? You can ask me. Can we have more practice on such kind of questions? Please unmute yourself and answer, or you can type in the chat box so that I can confirm it and I can go for it. Anil says yes. So what about others? Please confirm. Fine. Jeet has some problem. No problem. Fine. In that case, you can enter your enrollment numbers and names for attendance purpose. Fine.
Hello, sir.
Yes.
સર સપોઝ કે આપણે કોઈ કંપનીમાં જોબ કરતા હોય અને પછી ત્યાંથી બીજી કંપનીમાં જ્યારે કંપની આ કંપની છોડીને બીજી કંપનીમાં ઇન્ટરવ્યુ માટે જાય ત્યારે જે કંપનીમાં પૂછે કે તમે આ પેલી કંપની શું કામ તમે છોડી એનું રીઝન આપો તો સર એ ટાઈમે શું જવાબ આપો?
You can answer always about two things. Number one, for personal growth, personal development, where that company ended in terms of progress, and what are the opportunities you're getting in the company which is going to recruit you. There's two things you can answer.
Okay, sir.
Fine.
Okay.
So we call it for a day. Thank you very much, everyone. If you have entered your details, you can leave. Right? Thank you all. Patient. Yeah, you can, Vishal, you can answer regarding educational gap. So if you have done something in terms of experience or internship, you can definitely justify that one. Fine. even in foreign universities, if you go for your masters, 2 years of education gap is allowed. But if it is more than 2 years of education gap, that can be a problem. Fine, Vishal? Okay. So we call it for a day. Thank you very much, everyone.